Psst. They shipping you guys off tomorrow. This is you, Sean. I know. Oi, I'm to be deported. They'll throw Hector in the zoo. Relax, Chief. I can get us out of here. ... The psychopath is coming too. You better not make a sound. ... Objective: escape from prison while the storm lasts. Ready? Space to continue. You know, if it was this easy to escape from prison, you'd think more people would have done it. Sneaking around town. Alright, so, oh wait, we can talk to these people maybe. We got a new game mechanic. Oh, these are the devs? I don't remember this from...
no, let's go.
Wait, no, there's nothing
This
that
way,
way.
dude.
Those are just prison cells. Watch out for guards. There's a guard in there, Sean. Luckily, he's not paying attention to anything. Whoa, shift to sneak. Hey, Sean, why are you just standing there?
For something to happen. But that day never comes.
Wait.
Gated.
Oh, you're reading this thing.
Drunks, debtors, and thieves. Watch out, he might turn around. The real criminals. What?
Nothing.
How long do you think this goes on for?
Probably until we leave. There's probably like a huge list of stuff that he says. The day never comes. I'm so real good to babysitting drunks, debtors, and thieves. All my buddies in the force are chasing the real criminals.
Oh, his name is Pierre. Pierre.
His name is Pierre? How do you know?
Because I'm at the end.
Oh.
I can't believe... Oh, wow, okay, that just got graphic.
Oh, okay. I'll leave before I catch anything.
Control A. Control A.
So we need to... So it looks like... Yeah, we just have to escape. Look, there's a convenient arrow telling us right where to go. Wonder who left that there.
There's a lot of guards on this one.
Sneaking around. I thought you guys were... Oh dear.
Dude!
Quick, get in the tunnels. Sorry. Wait, it looks like there's like no way to get to the entire rest
Is there any way to
map.
get through here?
I think you probably need the mole. Or maybe you go to the street level and then go around or something.
Unlocked.
With this barbed wire, does it hurt you if you run into it? No. Sean, can you open it?
Guards are chasing you, break their line of sight. Okay, thanks, pal.
Guards are chasing you, break their line of sight. Look, I found a door over here. Hey, look, we're right by a lake.
Oh, there's a guy coming. Watch out, guy coming.
I thought that arrow was a coin.
Dude, don't knock.
You can't hide in this bush. It's a bit unfortunate. Hey. Wait, am I the black dude? No, I'm the blue dude. Okay.
Okay, watch out.
Oh, I got the lights.
How come? Oh, our vision isn't shared.
Wait, it's not? I'm just going around getting coins. Oh, Sean, he's coming to the... No, he's coming to there. Oof, that was close. Oh, hurry, Sean. Wait. Quick, turn out the lights.
Wait. Okay, we gotta... See the lasers? Don't want...
Yeah, the lasers go off. Alright, there's our getaway car. I don't know how we knew it was there.
What?
Let's go. Zoom, zoom. Nice.
That's not an alarm.
All it took was 4 minutes.
I think we did pretty good.
Oh yeah, we got all the money. Nice.
The final score... Yeah, people did it in 53 seconds.
53 seconds? They probably didn't get all the money. But they
Yeah.
also probably didn't sit there reading all the stuff that the dude said.
That's true. Yeah. We need passports, money, friends. Big fella.
Dot. You guys remember the fella from
No
Cell
big
Block B?
box up Mole. Mole has freedom spoon.
Freedom Spoon! Apparently he's connected. Interpol is transferring him to the Clairvox by bus. If we can trick him to hijack that prison transport, we should have all the friends we'll ever need. Aw, all the friends.
Freedom spoon.
Let's go! Too bad we don't have the Freedom Spoon, dude. Well, we will soon. Ooh, some guns. Give me the money. Give me.
Great.
Sean, you can't just go walking like half a second in front of me. Oh wait, the mouse has shown up, Sean.
Qui va là?
Should we kill him? Oh, we can lose him around this car.
J'ai cru entendre un bruit dans le fond.
If only I had the stamina to keep walking around this corner.
Oh!
Oh, he saw me.
That's just.
He's dead.
Dude, literally, are we stepping on the birds?
Wait, are we stepping on the birds? Let me step on
Let's go, yeah.
you. Yeah, we. Oh, it's dead! Wait, no, it's fine. It just took off.
Oh, there's a guy.
Oh, there's a
on the
cop.
watch out. Yeah, can you see all the fists?
Yeah.
Now you can't? Wait.
No, I can while you're sneaking, I think.
Yes.
Is he coming our way? No, he's not. He's.
Just our. I wasn't sure. Sneak. Oh,
Hurry before he turns around.
okay.
I'm in the freight train.
This. Ah,
Quoi?
dang, I was too late.
Je vais te tuer!
Circles, Sean, circles!
Je pense que c'est bon.
Dude, watch out. Still here.
Alright, we lost him.
This way, Sam. Can we go this way?
Qui va là? Oh, et puis tant pis. Quoi?
You can see us, you can
T'es
see
sûr
us.
d'avoir
Okay.
entendu quelque chose?
Well, that guy's definitely gonna be able to
Wait.
see us.
Him down there.
These are the worst cops ever.
Oh, wait.
Just stand still. He can see
Okay,
us.
he's on us.
Je vais te tuer si je t'attrape!
Okay. Wait, there's a passenger train. We can steal all the passengers'
What?
money. Wait, no, we
Ouch.
can't.
Stop
Shoot him, Sean. Shoot him.
Alright, let's go for it.
Shoot him.
Wait, we. Hold on, man.
Do we have all the money here?
Je vais te tuer
Yeah, we
si je
can't get
t'attrape.
in there. Let's just go.
Oh!
Oh. Oh. Okay.
Oh,
I got another
okay.
shotgun. Oh, wait, are you the mole?
Yep.
Okay, that's really awful. We lost the lookout. A super secret cave. There was some money.
What just happened?
Wait, Sean, you need to dig through this wall.
Yeah,
Wait, there's a coin right here. Dig with your freedom spoon. Gosh, this is one awesome freedom spoon. Wait, there's a dude over here, Sean. Look. You knocked out my teeth when you smashed the transport. Wait, there's another coin.
Wait.
Wait, never mind, I got it. That's not a coin.
no,
What is
we
that?
we cleaned it out.
Oh, we did? Okay. Why do I have to break into this boat? Sean, I don't think there's anything back here.
I just want to check it out.
Sean, I'm pretty sure there isn't anything back here.
You're so boring.
Well, I'm not boring, Sean. I just broke into a boat.
Who are you talking to?
You.
I'm doing it with you, I know.
Yeah.
So